Hello, today we will create bushes using particle system. Let's delete the cube. Go to front, shift A, mesh and UV sphere. We'll reduce the segments 20 and 12. Press tab for the edit mode, press 3 for the face mode, Alt Z for the X-ray mode, and select the lower faces and press X faces and we'll delete those. Now shift A, mesh and plane. We'll create leaves from this. Press tab, Ctrl R and we'll add 2 edge loops. Scale down. Scale it down. We'll move the cursor. Select this edge, shift S and cursor to selected and right click, set origin to 3D cursor. Now shift D, RZ90. Again shift D, RZ90, shift D, RZ90. So now it looks like a flower. Select all and Ctrl J to join them. Scale down. Give a name as leaf. Now we'll copy this one, shift D, shift A, mesh and UV sphere, reduce it to delete the lower faces, scale it down, now select both and Ctrl J. So now we'll give name, it's a flower. Make it small, both. Now select the sphere, go to particle properties, add the particle system, let it be emitter, frame start 0 and frame end also 0. Now uncheck the show emitter. Now click on the source. Make it volume and go to render as object, and now select the object. We will select the leaf, So now we can see the leaf here. Now in render, scale the object. To rotation, check the rotation, set the randomize property, we'll decrease this to and increase the scale. Set the all properties. Now let's give a material to the leaf so we can know give a green color, go to material preview, little bit dark green, and we'll give a flower also a color. Now select the sphere and copy that, Shift D. And now we'll add the flower in this one. Add one more particle and give it to name flower. Start is 0 and also 0. Select the volume. Render, select the object. Now select object as a flower. Now go to velocity and increase. First of all, we'll increase the volume. Now we'll give a sphere a transparent material. Select the sphere, go to materials. In settings, in blend mode, select the alpha click, and in surface make the alpha 0. Same here, give the material transparent. Now go to render and render image, so it is not visible. Yes, now flowers are visible.